Hi there. Do you want to build exciting and innovative embedded systems products? If you want to, come build with me.
So guys, this is what the project looks like. You have an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, and an Arduino UNO. So these are the three major components. Although you see the breadboard and your connecting wires, and then the laptop to power the entire project. Now, this is where we get to the part where we see how the project works. So guys, this is a complete project. Alright, this is a processing app that displays when the ultrasonic sensor senses an obstacle or an object in front of it. So let's try to experiment with it. To see what's happening. Now the rotation, let me shift it. So it's detecting this. Take it here. How about if I use my hand? So just any obstacle is not limited to just my hand alone. It senses my hand as an obstacle and it reflects on the processing app.
So guys, did you enjoy this video? If you did, smash the subscribe button, like, just give me a thumbs up, and drop your comment about the video and the next project you would want me to upload in this channel. And see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.